So I was very happy कि finally चलो Bangalore SSB में जाने का मौका मिल गया. They used to recommend capable people, so narration was never a problem. I am not first of all that much into sports activity. When interviewer asked about my weaknesses, also I always used to write and tell him that I am not that much good in journal awareness. Then also he asked me so many questions on the GK part.
Do you feel that you underperform in these two GDs?
That was the moment when I realized that SSB is not a competition.
Hello, everyone, and today I'm highly excited as I have one very important guest and very amazing guest with me, Pankaj Solanki. And let me first tell you who is Pankaj Solanki. So he has done BTech from Army Institute of Technology, Pune, and he is software developer. And he has recently got recommended from INET, and he will be soon entering into Navy pilot course of INET. So let's see how was his journey, and also we'll talk a lot in general what happened there. First, hi Pankaj. I'm not allowing you to talk.
Hey, hello Rishi, and thank
Yeah,
you for such a warm welcome, man.
yeah. So it is very much required, because it is cold already, right? So yeah.
Yes, yes.
So now we'll talk about like how you got interest in armed force. Armed force कैसे पसंद आई?
So, my father is in army, like he's a retired personnel. That is also a reason why I want to join army. But if I say before in 12th class, I was not that much interested in joining the army. So my goal at that time was to get a good IIT and to get a good job.
Yeah.
But later I ended up in Army Institute of Technology, and there I got my interest in joining the armed forces.
So what all mistakes you did in the previous SSBs? Like just one or two lines on that.
Yep, yep,
Any?
yep. So when I appeared for my first SSB in 33 SSB Bhopal, I was not that much prepared. As I told you, that time I was not that much interested in joining the
Interested as
defense
well.
forces.
Yeah, correct.
So I just went there and just want to give it a try. So
So
that time I
like
wasn't prepared for it.
we can definitely say that like people who are going for the first time should not make it a silly attempt, right? They should be
Yeah,
very much.
sure, for sure. They should be very much prepared, and it is a golden opportunity.
Yeah, a
First
golden
attempt is a
egg.
golden opportunity.
Correct.
Yeah.
Then second attempt.
Yeah, and then after I prepared a lot. I prepared for the VAT, TET, SRTs, and everything. I prepared a lot for. We used to do practice about the lecturates also, and then finally, when I appeared for my second attempt, I got screen out. Then in the third attempt, I got conference out from AFSB Mysore, and that was the moment when I realized that SSB is not a competition. It's a way of life. So as you can say, there are chances that the batch can wash out, and there are chances that many people can get recommended. So it's not about a competition that you have to compete with someone.
Yeah,
So it's
correct.
about yourself only. Okay. So that was the time that I realized कि it's not about कि तुम कितना prepare करके जा रहे हो, and it's not about all that. It's about कि do you know yourself? Do you know your weaknesses? Do you know your strength? So
Yeah.
after my third attempt, I prepared on all these things only: my strengths, my weaknesses, and knowing more and more about myself, exploring more and more about myself, my families, and everything.
क्या क्या preparation की before going to the Mysore attempt?
In our college, so we have so many friends who are a defense aspirant. So we made a group. We used to practice GD. We used to do group discussions, and then we used to make stories. We used to practice TATs and WATs and SRTs. We used to ask can you share your experience or your views on the word knife? What will you write? So we used to see किसका कैसा चल रहा है and किसकी कैसी thinking है, and then we can see like are we
Correct.
going in the right direction or not.
सही है, सही है,
So this
सही है.
helped me a lot.
So, like, what can you talk about, 12 SSB Bangalore? How it is different from other SSB, according to you?
Okay, so when I got my admit card for the 12 SSB Bangalore, so I was very happy कि finally चलो Bangalore SSB में जाने का मौका मिल गया.
It is a lucky
Because all of
SSB.
my friends used to say कि Bangalore SSB is very nice and it is very lenient, and they used to recommend so many people from the SSB. And if you are capable, of course you will get recommend from any of the SSB. But for
Yeah, that is.
especially the SSB Bangalore, I'll say that they don't used to recommend extraordinary people who are excellent in each and everything. They used to recommend capable people, the average people who are trainable and who have the potential to become a defense officer. So that's a different thing about the SSB Bangalore and the other SSBs.
Yeah. And like, yeah, even I really want to go in SSB Bangalore if I get a chance, but like,
Yeah, sure.
let's see what happens. So, how your OIR went in SSB Bangalore?
Yeah. Of course, there are different timings for the OIRs in different SSB. So in Bangalore, I got 33 minutes for the first OIR and 27 minutes for the second OIR. Yeah.
Okay, so and how your PPTT went? What was the image, if you remember?
Okay, so the image was of a man. He has his hand in front of the screen, and you can only see a hand of the person. And there was other person who was just standing and looking at the hand. So I perceived that the other person is a father of the main character, and he is giving blessings to the person. And I made a story around that.
And
Yeah.
then how your narration went for that?
Yeah, narration was good. Like I used to practice a lot before going to the SSBs for the narration, like whether I'm able to narrate in 1 minute or not. So narration was never a problem in the SSB.
Okay, and how your discussion went? How was the fish market for
Of
you?
course, as we are repeaters, and of course, there was a fish market again at that time. First of all, I'll say for the narration, like when like most of the people used to practice for the TAT. Okay, so what you can do extra is when you are writing the stories, that is okay. But after writing the story, give 1 minute in narrating the story also. It will boost up your confidence and like put a timer on your watch or on in your phone for 1 minute and try to narrate in that time. It will be very helpful for the narration, and I used to do that. And talking about the discussion, like of course there is a fish market, and don't try to jump into that fish market. Let the people who are trying to say, let them speak. And when the discussion calms down at a certain point of time, like after people speaks for 4 5 points, and after that when you see that the discussion is okay, now people are calm and composed, that time you can raise your points. And yeah, humbly raise your points with a good
So how
voice
many
and come.
times you might have got to speak?
Yeah, I spoke 2 times during the discussion.
Nice. And what about this? Like form. उसके बाद when you got a conference in form filling का कितना time मिला? Like
We filled the forms for around 45 minutes after getting screened in.
Acha, and what special thing or what things you neatly wrote in OIR which you thought like was useful or is useful for any person?
Okay, so I guess you're talking about PIQ form.
Yeah, sorry, PIQ.
So, like, I'm not, first of all, that much into sports activities. So, I always used to like write one line in the sports section, that is, I play badminton and that too casually. So, but I am very much into the extracurricular activities, and I used to like write 4 or 5 things in the extracurricular activities. And in hobbies and interest, I used to write trekking, traveling, and cycling. In the like leadership roles, or there is one column of that also. I used to write where I was a leader and how I like leaded my team. Previously, before the Bangalore SSB, I used to write so much of things. Like I used to think that if you don't have things to write in the PIQ, then you will not get recommended. But the
Yeah,
main thing is you should write what you have done. You should not lie or fake anything. If you are
I
not into
that
sports,
but
accept it.
as you have said that I also agree to that I write a lot of things though I have done a lot of things but sometimes I feel like they might feel that this is unnatural or something so maybe I just need to write only the very important things and I have to ignore many things I from the next time so thank you for that. Let's talk about this thing ki when your psych happened, psych day, interview day, and of course like kaun se din kya kya hua like
Yeah,
yeah.
first day was screening, and after that we filled all the forms and PIQ. Second day was the psych test, and just after I finished my psych test, I went for the interview. I was the first person from the batch who went for the interview, and
Oh,
president of the board took my interview, and I was not even ready for the interview. It was like I was giving the psych test, and one man came and he said कि chess number is iska interview hai. And then I was like कि, okay chalo theek hai. And I went there.
वो कब हुआ GTO? थर्ड डे एंड
GTO
फोर्थ
was
डे और जस्ट
GTO
वन
was
डे
on the third day. Yeah, it
फुल?
was of one day because of the COVID. Fourth day was
So
free, and fifth day we had a conference.
coming to the very important part of this whole interview of SSB is psychology. They want to know the personalities. They want to know every trait of you, how you wrote the first and second and third and fourth test.
So basically, first of all, there is a first test which is TAT, TAT, and second one is VET, then third one is SRT, and fourth one is self description. So the most important in all these four tests is the PAT because it builds the base on which
Yeah,
the psychologist is going to judge you. He or she has your PIQ, and each and every story that you wrote in the psychology test, they used to think that you are the same person who you are writing in each and every test. So basically, they used to compare that with the your PIQ. Okay. So first of all, when you are writing the story, make sure that you are writing a positive story because it's a psychology test, and
correct.
you should not be negative. Okay. Second thing is, if possible, try to use names of your friends who are very close to you. Like it's like if you are using a friend's name that you are very close to them. Okay. You are
Acha.
writing stories on them, or you know them, and if you are using names like Ram, Shyam, so it's like
Yeah, that is also
you have by hearted
non-unique
some
name, so it looks
content.
fake. The
Yeah,
story will
it
look
looks
fake.
fake. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, it looks like you
correct.
have by hearted that
That
story,
is
Ram, Shyam, like
really,
that.
really good point I would take for the next time. Tell me more.
Yeah, yeah, sure. So so after that, 12th story is the one that is your own story, the
Hmm.
one incident that you have helped someone, or the one story, one short story, or one incident in which you have done something great. You have to write that in your 12th story. Okay. So make a story on yourself, and make sure that all the stories you are writing, they are very much they should match with your PIQ form. Like for
Hmm.
example, if you are writing a story on a sports, and if I like for myself, if I'm writing a story on any of the sports event, and if I have written PIQ that I don't play any of the sport, so it will look like this is fake. Okay. So you should not
Correct,
write
correct,
stories like that. Okay.
correct, correct.
Moving to the vet, so basically
Yeah,
you don't get much time to think a lot. So what you
yeah,
have to do is you have to practice it. Okay, पहले से ही practice करो, and it will help you. Okay, practice करोगे तो
definitely.
you will be able to
Because
write it. Okay.
उधर तो mind चलता, you don't have time to think, right?
Yeah, yeah.
जैसे what you do about the negative word, जैसे blame हो गया, dumb हो गया, like lust, reject, annoy. So how you come up?
Yeah, yeah. So like for the negative words, you can make them positive also. Like you can write a positive sentence, like जैसे blame हो गया. So smart people don't blame others or don't play blame games. Okay, they used to accept their mistakes. Smart ये ऐसे
Okay,
करके, like something like that. So इस तरीके से कुछ लिखना होता है, like and इसके बाद वेट के बाद अगर हम चलते हैं SRTs पर,
हाँ,
then I attempted 51 SRTs in Bangalore. Okay. So
हाँ,
and yeah, and the reason was that there were some SRTs which were very simple, and which were one liners also. Again, it doesn't matter how many SRTs you are
okay,
attempting. What matters is the quality of the
quality.
SRTs.
So, like, how many sentence you write for a SRT in general, like in average, you will say?
So I used to write 3 or 4 sequence in sentence. It will be one line or two line. It will not be more than one. I used to write with the help of commas, like give first aid, comma, give water,
Hmm.
comma,
That is,
call his
yeah,
family,
faster.
comma, admit him to the hospital. ऐसे करके. I like that. I like that. I don't
Correct,
used to
correct, correct.
write in a full sentence.
Correct. So,
So
then moving to the next one,
yeah, self
personal
description,
description.
it is one of the most important tasks, self description, because this is the one which describes you. What do you think about yourself, what your parents think about yourself, what your teachers thinks about you, and what your friends think about you, and okay, and what are your goals or your future aspects, you write about them. So most of the people don't consider it, and they used to who don't used to prepare, they used to write it like that only. Okay. So they used to consider that it is not a very much important test, but it is very much important, and this test will be with your interviewer also. Okay. I can say this because just like my interview was after 10 minutes of the psychology test. So this psychology test cannot be assessed in 10 minutes. Okay. but I like as the board was the transparent on which the things were lying in front of the interviewer, so I can see my this psychology test booklet. Okay, so that's why I'm aware of this. So this
Okay, okay.
SD he can read, and he
Yeah,
asked me
even I have seen my self-description form with him, so I can
yeah, yeah,
also
yeah.
acknowledge that. Yeah, so what you wrote in self-description, like what all did you prepare for that as well, or
Yeah, I prepared a lot for self description. Like as I mentioned previously, also like this for this attempt, I prepared for the self description. I prepared for my strengths. I prepared for my weaknesses and everything. So for this, for the self description, I gave 2 3 days time. I asked my parents that what do you think about me. So tell me
hmm.
my positives, tell me my negatives. So at first they laughed, but then I insist them कि okay no no tell me ऐसे मत करो and बताओ मुझे क्या क्या ठीक लगता है and क्या नहीं ठीक लगता है.
But your parents will only say the good ना, कुछ bad तो
No,
बोलेंगे
no,
नहीं.
I asked them. Arey, my parents told me that you are bad in this, you are not good in this. Like, तुम कपड़े बहुत गंदे रखते हो and all things like that.
But
So
you
I
cannot
wrote
write that as
honestly.
well, na? Like you cannot directly write.
Yeah,
Can you?
I wrote
Can
directly.
okay.
Yeah, I wrote directly. Like my mother think that I'm not that much tidy person. Okay, I like that.
Huh.
I read like that. Okay,
Okay, okay, okay.
and I took my friends' opinion also that what they think about me. So I write accordingly, and about teachers also I write accordingly. And then like you should be very honest that what you are
Honest,
writing
like
in your SD.
so, like this is also very much thing I have to note that sometimes I don't remain honest, and many of us don't remain honest. But we also believe now that we should not cut our officer like quality. So how you manage to do that? Like कहीं ना कहीं cleanliness वाले points तो कट ही रहे हैं या फिर कुछ भी ऐसा.
See, no one can be perfect. There should be some weakness. And if
Yeah,
someone is trying to say, like, no, I am perfect, I am like perfect in each and everything, then
yeah.
he must be lying. Okay. He must be hiding something. So start accepting your weaknesses, start accepting your negatives that I am not good in this and I'll work on this. Start accepting that. So this is the one thing that I would like to say to all the viewers who is viewing this.
Yeah. And how you made connect with your friends in SSB, like how much important it is according to you that we should meet with everyone there.
Yeah, yeah. So, first of all, as I write in my strengths also that I am a very socially adaptable person and I am a very lively person. So I always used to make friends and I'm very much like I like making friends. I always used to go to each and every room. I used to talk to people. Where are you from and what are you doing? Which is what is which is your this attempt? And I used to ask them and I used to make friends. So it is very important because you are going to join defense forces, okay? And there the most important thing is you should be adaptable with each and every type of person.
Hmm.
So that is the quality that I have built it in myself also, and I talk to each and every person. Like I try to talk as much as I can in the SSB, so that helped me a lot. Most important thing is I'm a very lively person. I used to crack jokes and I used to make people laugh. So that is the thing that people like about me, and they become my friends easily.
Okay, and now coming to the very important part, which is interview. Again, very important and
Yeah.
can make or break a SSB for anyone. So, how you like? Did you prepare for interview, and how you prepared for interview?
Of course, I prepared for the interview. So first of all, like as we are repeaters, so we are aware that what type of questions the interviewer is going to ask. So first
Yeah,
of all, you should list them down in a notebook, and you should prepare all these questions. Okay. Secondly, when you are going for the interview, I would suggest you give mock interviews to your friends who are already
yeah,
recommended. On if they are not recommended, also to give interviews to the friends who are repeaters. Okay,
yeah.
as
Correct.
I gave interview to you and you
Yeah,
gave interview to me.
me.
Okay,
Yeah,
so yeah,
happened.
yeah. So
Huh.
yeah. So before going to the Bangalore SSB, I gave interview to 4 or 5 of my friends. Okay, so this built my confidence. They told me about my weaknesses that these are your weaknesses and you should not have to do this in the interview and like that. And I
And
prepared
and you know
accordingly.
what? I
And
can really see you much confident now. Literally, like even we have done interviews many times, so I can say that has reflected in you very much right now. And really, congratulations for that. Anyway, so coming to the interview now, how you started, like what happened in general, you want to discuss whatever you wish. So
Yeah, sure,
let's
sure.
start.
So, first of all, let me tell you, like, that what are the things that you should keep in your mind when you are going for the interview. Okay.
Hmm.
So, I think there are two keys of getting, getting recommended or to have a very good interview with the interviewer. They are, you should be very much confident and you should be smiling throughout the interview.
Yeah,
Okay. So I did those two things. Okay. In the interview.
confident and smiling, right? So yeah.
Yeah, confident and smiling. So if you're confident, then you can tackle each and every question. Even if you don't know, then also you can tackle it. Okay.
Hmm.
And with smiling shows that you are very lively person. And secondly, you are not coming under pressure. Okay. So what interviewer used to check during the interviews, they used to check that whether this person is like coming under pressure or not, or is will he be able to like handle the situation which will when he will come under pressure. So if you are smiling and if you have a very much confident nature, then you will not do like that. Okay. So he asked me about my education
Grades,
background, my marks, and then my college, what I have learned from my college, and then why I choose information technology or
teacher
computer science.
question.
Yeah,
Good
of
teacher,
course he
bad
asked me,
teacher.
yeah, who is your favorite teacher and who is
Okay.
the teacher you don't like, what is your favorite subject. He asked me about my friends also, who is your best friend, tell me his qualities, who tell me about your girlfriend also he asked. And he also asked many questions about the general knowledge also, like about Indian Navy also. He asked so many questions as I went for the pilot test, so he asked me about the aircrafts also. And he asked me about the geography. He asked me the geography questions also, like where is this place and
Geography
where is
question.
that place.
Like any idea about geography? Like question
He
क्या
asked me
पूछा
about
था?
the he asked me about the Panama Canal, where it is, and which are the two countries it is
हाँ,
connecting. He asked me
by
questions like
that I
that.
remember you were good with all the questions about your friends, your family, everything. But when you got a lot of shorts of question, like 6 question or 5 question, you were unable to give the answer of those questions. So how that happened, and how you manage, how you deal with them?
So it's like I always used to write in my SD also, and when interviewer asks about my weaknesses also, I always used to write and tell him that I'm not that much good in general awareness. Then also he asked me so many questions on the GK part and about the
I
Indian
believe
Navy.
he asked you that question to make you put you in pressure,
Yeah,
because
of course, of
he
course.
knew that you won't be able to answer maybe. So
Yeah, he was already aware that he is not going into general awareness. And then also he asked me so many questions. And then he asked me about the MiG-29K and MiG-29 of the Indian Air Force, difference between both of them. He asked me about the engines used in various aircraft. He
hmm,
asked me about the trainer version of the aircraft that Indian Navy used. He asked me
okay,
about the recent deals of the Indian Navy with the other countries. These were some of the questions he asked me, and
okay.
some of the question I was aware and answered them, and some of the questions I was not able to answer. But I was very much confident and very much smiling that I humbly told the interviewer that sorry sir, I don't know. With a smile, I told for each and every question.
We all would like to know what you said for the strength and weakness part, if you remember any.
So, like for the strength, I say that I'm a very determined person, and I'm a socially adaptable person. I'm a very lively person, and I'm a very humble person. So these were the strengths I told him. And for the weakness, I said I used to overthink sometimes, and I'm not that much good into the general awareness. And sometimes I become short of vocabulary also, and I'm not that much good into theoretical subjects. And yeah, I told him that I am not good into sports. I'm not that much
Sports as well.
into the sports activities, and I'm more into the curricular activities. These were some of
So
the
these
strengths and
were
weaknesses.
the areas under improvement. Like
Yeah, these were the areas
you
of
wanted to
improvement.
improve.
Yeah,
That was the weakness. Okay. So did he said anything from PIQ, by the way?
yeah. Of course, I did a mistake in my PIQ form.
Okay.
So for 10th and 12th class, I wrote a border in 10th and 12th
Border.
class.
Okay, day
Yeah, yeah.
border. Okay.
Yeah. So I was a day scholar. Day scholar, of course, for 10th and 12th class, most of the people are day scholars because they used to go from their home to the schools.
Any other point?
As I was weak in the general awareness, and most of the people used to think that you should know about the GK. Of course, it's good. It's like you if you know about the
Yeah,
GK
but
and the
definitely,
Indian
like
Navy.
it is not the essential part to get selected.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. It is not the if like because there are
it
many
has
people who
its
are
own
preparing for
points,
the
but not
UPSC.
very important major element which can
Yeah.
ruin the SSB for you, right?
Yeah,
Correct.
of course. If you are not good in that, then you can definitely prepare for it and you can say that I'm learning and learning.
Then after that, how like other after that we come to the next part, which is our group task, right? How, what do you
Right.
think about group task? Did you prepare for that, or nobody prepared for
Of
that, I
course,
guess?
I haven't done any coaching, so I was not prepared for the group task. There were some there were some activities that I used to prepare during my preparation time. That was the lecturate and the GDs. Okay, GD was there, and I was I was able to put 3 4 points in the GD. Okay, because again it was
What was the topic,
same
if you
as that.
remember?
So topic was one was about the coronavirus. What is the one thing that the coronavirus will impact the most, Indian economy or the militaries or the
Ah,
health sector.
okay, okay.
And second topic was about the Indo-China conflict, like what are the solution for the
You
Indo-China
know what?
conflict.
The same thing was asked in NSB Vishakhapatnam. Same thing. Like,
Oh, nice. Because these two things were trending that time na,
yeah.
in August,
So, like, we
coronavirus
can say
and
that maybe
China.
these two both talk to each other like something, maybe.
So it's like whatever is trending, they used to like pick topics from that only.
And at the same time, we both went for INET entry, so that can be also correct what I
Maybe,
just said. Yeah. So
maybe,
yeah.
maybe.
So like you put 2 points, 2 to 3 points in first GD, and second GD you put 1 to 2 points,
Also,
right?
I put 2 3 4 points only.
Okay. So
Then
did you like do you feel that you underperform in these two GDs?
yes, that time I was thinking that I was not able to put up
If
many points as the people were like speaking a lot that time.
too much,
There were
I know.
people, yeah, who were able to put 9 and 10 points that time. So they were not able.
Okay. Then but in group planning exercise you were a rock star, right?
Yeah, yeah, I was good in the group planning exercise. So basically, I prepared before the SSB for the group task also. Sorry, for the GD also,
Yeah.
GP.
Hmm.
So when we used to prepare in our college, we all friends used to sit and we used to take randomly from the SSB Crocus sites like that,
Ha
the
ha ha.
GPs, and we used to prepare and we used to discuss there. So that time we learned about how to prioritize tasks. Like there are 3 4 problems in the stories and how to prioritize these problems. You should always look for the hidden resources. That is very important. You should take a path to consider all the resources while taking a path. It was like people were not that much speaking during the GP task. I don't know
GP.
why. They were not speaking a lot during the GP task, and that time I took the chance and I speak that.
After that comes group task. Very important again, right? You again did like little underperformance here as well, right? So what
Yeah,
do you
of
think
course.
about that?
So in PGT, there were some members in our group
And how you managed?
who were dominating. So
Okay.
basically, first of all, the task, the PGTs, SGTs, and the command tasks in the Bangalore are not that much difficult as compared to the AFSBs that I've seen. So they are like average. Okay. So like most of the peoples are able to get ideas. So as so many people were able to get ideas, so every one of them were trying to implement their ideas, and they were speaking. Everyone at the same time was speaking for the PGT also.
Yeah.
And then time I was not speaking and I was not putting the ideas because I was already aware that for 3 4 people are there in the group who are giving the ideas for the
Yeah.
same time. If someone is able to give a good idea, and if you think your idea is not that much good, why should you give that idea? Okay.
Correct.
So
So
I was
like
not unnecessary giving the ideas.
okay, okay. So like in half group task, anything different happen or the similar things
Yeah,
happen?
of course, as the group was cut down to half, so that time I was able to give one idea. as only 2 or 3 ideas were required in the half group task. So that time I was able to give one.
Okay, and then we come to the lecturate part.
Yeah, so there were 4 topics, and I don't remember all the fours, but there was a topic on women status, and there was a topic related to the economy, and I chose the economy one, Indian economy. It was
Okay,
Indian
Indian
economy.
economy. Okay.
So I just gave a brief introduction about the Indian economy, and then how the economy is calculated, and what are the things that contributing, like what are the major sectors that is contributing to the economy, what are the problems that we are facing, and what are the solutions for.
Correct, correct. How was your GOR and individual obstacle task?
Yeah, I remember, like it was not with our group, but with the other one group, there was one person who climbed up from the height to the other person's body, and they both fell down.
Oh,
So this was
damn.
the
Like,
incident happened with the other group. So, but it's okay, it's fine. These things
yeah.
happens in the, yeah, I started from the hardest one, like from the 10, 9, 8, 7. I decided to go like that only. And I was able to do 9 out of 10, and I left one.
How was your command task and
Yeah,
like,
command task was average. I would not say that it was the toughest one in the group,
yeah,
and
like
of course, it
people
was
judge
not that
in
much
that
easy
way that
also.
if you get the toughest one, then you will definitely get selected or something.
So it's not like that you will get definitely get selected, but there are chances, because if the GTO officer is giving you the toughest one, then he thinks that you are capable of it and you can do it. That's why he's only giving to you. He asked me about my like about my job, that where are you placed and how much you are getting, and then why do you want to join Indian Navy, that you are earning so much good, and then also why do you want to join Indian Navy. So we had a small talk with him.
Okay, so like, by the way, like what you said in one to two liner to him, like, why do you want to join?
So I said that it was because of the uniform only.
Okay,
So I like the way of life of an officer, and everything
got it.
I spoke.
And
Yeah.
any specific question which happened in a conference?
Yeah, of course. My conference lasted for 10 minutes, and the deputy president asked me a question in the conference, and as I entered, he asked me, "How confident you are that you will get recommended this time?" I said, "Very confident, sir." Then he asked me, "Why do you think so?" Then he asked me that what are the mistakes you made in this SSB, and what are the mistakes that you made in the previous SSB? How did you prepare for this? And so questions like this he asked me.
Okay, so
So I
like you were
confidently answered.
confident and you said that I will get recommended like on their face,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Yeah, yeah. I said
And
I'm very confident that I'll get it. Okay, so before the conference, I like as I was not able to perform that good in the GTO, so I had that doubt in my mind that I don't know. Most probably, I'll not get recommended this time because I was not able to give my best in the GT task. Okay, but when I waited outside the conference hall for 5-10 minutes, I was sitting outside the conference hall, and they were discussing inside. So that time a hope came in my mind that yes, this can be the
maybe.
chance, and now you have to perform, and you have to perform very confidently. So I went inside, and I performed very confidently, and with a very good smile, I answered all the questions.
So apart from this, what you believe a person should prepare before going, like some simple and very important things he should prepare to go in SSB before going to SSB, like some months before it.
So, first of all, if you are a fresher, then you should
Hmm.
know about the procedure, that what are the things that is, what are the tests are there in the SSB, and you should thoroughly know about them. Then you should prepare a little bit about the test, like for the VAT, SRT,
Each
you
and
should
every test.
give us time. Yeah, you should give it time. Okay. And then the most important thing that I believe you should know is you should know yourself, your family. This is the most important thing. You
Because
should
you
know.
cannot, you may do wrong in questions of GK, but you should not do wrong in these things. Correct.
Yeah,
Ekdam
yeah.
sahi.
You should know your weaknesses, and
Correct.
you should accept them, accept your failures, learn from your failures. This is very important.
Correct, correct. Okay, so it was really nice talking to you, Pankaj, and we had have the
Same here.
person who had attended 12 SSB Bangalore, and I hope it will be really useful for you as well. You can see how you can get recommended there. Be confident, have a smile face, and also be true to yourself. Be honest, and definitely you have to prepare. Correct. So thank you, Pankaj, for coming. And before going, I just want you to say with me, like, subscribe to this channel, of course.
Yeah,
So
thank you so much,
other
Rishi, for
other than this, I
inviting me.
want you to at least comment. If you have any doubt, I will ask Pankaj or myself. I will answer, or he will answer, and we both will be answering in the comment section. I really hope to see a lot and lot of comments about maybe best wishes or whatever you want to say. Other than that, I want you to subscribe and like 100% like, man. You are getting the core information, maybe the key to success, so you should have it. Other than that, I now after doing this, I want Pankaj to thank, like, name everyone whom you want to say thanks to, because this is your video, not mine. This is your video. This is your time. So I want you to thank everyone and anyone who has given you hope and strength to make it success.
Yeah, so first of all, I would like to thank my parents because they were always there for me and they supported me a lot. Like whenever and wherever I used to go, they always used to support me for the
Yeah.
SSBs and for everything. And I would, after them, I would like to thank my sisters, and I would like to thank my best friend who is Saurav, and there, and
You can
thanks
name
to
it.
you
Name
also.
everyone.
Yeah, thanks to you also, Rishi. You
Thank
took
you
a
very much.
mock interview. Yeah,
Yeah.
and there was Satendra, and there was Shweta Prajapati, and there were some of the other friends, and there were many friends who helped me in this journey. So
Yeah.
thank you so much
And
if I'm not able to take your name,
yeah,
but
like,
thank you so
on
much.
behalf of the people who are watching and thinking like the name didn't come, it happens. But he
Yeah,
remember, he love everyone, so doesn't mind. And thank you for coming once again. And we'll be having another discussion very soon. So we should end this. And thank you again, and thanks a lot for coming. And congratulations, really, like, you have done amazing thing, and I'm very proud of you as a friend and as a channel as well. Like, we are proud of you, and I hope to
yeah,
see you soon. And let's end this one. Bye.
yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me, and thank you so much.